What if I told you that people are making millions using AI right now? Not in some distant future, but today. Intrigued? You should be. Because the AI gold rush is here and I'm about to show you how to stake your claim. The global AI market is projected to hit $1.5 trillion by 2030. That's not just big money, that's generational wealth waiting to be claimed. And the best part? You don't need a PhD in computer science to get a piece of the pie. So buckle up as we explore the 10 most profitable ways to make money with AI. AI-powered content creation. Potential income, $5,000 to $50,000 or more per month. Imagine cranking out high-quality articles, social media posts, and even video scripts at superhuman speed. That's the power of AI content creation. Here's how it works. You use AI writing tools to generate the bulk of the content, then add your human touch to make it sing. Businesses are desperate for content and willing to pay top dollar for quality and quantity. Success story. Meet Sarah, a former copywriter who started her AI content agency last year. She now manages a team of 5 and pulls in over $40,000 per month. Her secret? Using AI to handle the heavy lifting while her team focuses on creativity and client relationships. But wait, it gets better. AI trading and investment. Potential income, $10,000 to $100,000 or more per month. Picture this. You're lounging on a beach, sipping a pina colada, while your AI trading algorithm is making profitable trades 24/7. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, pinch yourself because this is very real. AI-powered trading systems can analyze market trends, predict price movements, and execute trades faster than any human could. And the best part? You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. Success story. Mike, a former finance analyst, developed his AI trading algorithm. In his first year, he turned $50,000 into over $500,000. Now, he runs a hedge fund using his AI system and generates millions in profits annually. AI-enhanced e-commerce. Potential income, $20,000 to $200,000 or more per month. Imagine running an online store that practically manages itself. With AI, this dream can become your reality. We're talking about systems that can optimize product pricing in real time, personalize product recommendations for each visitor, automate customer service with advanced chatbots, and predict inventory needs and manage stock automatically. E-commerce entrepreneurs using AI are seeing their conversion rates skyrocket and profits soar. Success story. Emily launched her AI-powered fashion boutique 2 years ago. By using AI to personalize the shopping experience and optimize her operations, she's now pulling in over $150,000 per month in profit. But what if you're more of a people person? AI consulting and implementation. Potential income $10,000 to $50,000 or more per month. Here's a little secret. Most businesses know they need AI, but they need to figure out how to implement it. That's where you come in. As an AI consultant, you could be the bridge between cutting-edge technology and businesses hungry for innovation. You could be helping companies implement AI chatbots for customer service, use machine learning for predictive maintenance in manufacturing, and develop AI-powered analytics dashboards. The best part? You don't need to be a coding wizard. With the right knowledge and tools, you can become the AI guru businesses turn to. Success story. Tom, a former IT manager, started his AI consulting firm 18 months ago. He now has a team of 5 consultants and brings in over $100,000 per month, helping small and medium-sized businesses leverage AI. AI-driven marketing agency, potential income $15,000 to $100,000 or more per month. Marketing is all about understanding and predicting human behavior. Guess what's really good at that? You got it, AI. By starting an AI-powered marketing agency, you could offer services like predictive analytics for customer behavior, AI-optimized ad campaigns, personalized email marketing at scale, and AI-generated social media strategies. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for marketing that delivers results, and with AI, you can deliver those results consistently. Success story. Lisa, a digital marketer, pivoted her agency to focus on AI-driven strategies. Within a year, she 10 times her revenue, now bringing in over $80,000 per month with a client list that includes several Fortune 500 companies. AI software development. Potential income $20,000 to $200,000 or more per month. The demand for AI software is skyrocketing and skilled developers are cashing in. Whether you're creating custom AI solutions for businesses, AI-powered apps for consumers, or AI plugins for existing software platforms, the possibilities are endless, and so is the potential for profit. Success story. Alex and his team developed an AI-powered productivity app. After a successful launch, they're now making over $150,000 per month from subscriptions and are in talks with major tech companies for potential acquisition. AI-enhanced freelancing, potential income, $5,000 to $20,000 or more per month. Attention all freelancers, AI is about to become your new best friend. By incorporating AI tools into your workflow, you can increase your output dramatically, improve the quality of your work, and take on more complex, higher-paying projects. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or any other type of freelancer, AI can help you level up your game and your income. Success story. David, a freelance graphic designer, started using AI tools to enhance his workflow. He can now complete projects in half the time, allowing him to take on more clients. His monthly income has jumped from $3,000 to over $15,000. AI education and training, potential income, $10,000 to $50,000 or more per month. Remember how we said businesses are hungry for AI but don't know how to use it? Well, someone needs to teach them. By creating AI courses, workshops, and training programs, you could position yourself as an AI educator and watch the money roll in. You could offer online courses on AI implementation, corporate training programs, and one-on-one AI coaching for executives. Success story. Jennifer, a former data scientist, created an online course teaching non-technical business owners how to implement AI in their operations. She's now making over $30,000 per month from course sales and has been invited to speak at major tech conferences. AI-powered personal assistant service. Potential income, $10,000 to $100,000 or more per month. Imagine offering a personal assistant service that's available 24/7, never gets tired, and can handle multiple clients simultaneously. With AI, this is not only possible but highly profitable. Your AI assistants could manage schedules and book appointments, handle email correspondence, conduct research, and even make purchases on behalf of clients. High net worth individuals and busy executives would pay premium prices for such a service. Success story. Marcus launched his AI personal assistant service last year. He now has over 100 clients paying an average of $1,000 per month for the service, bringing in a cool $100,000 monthly. AI-enhanced product development, potential income, $50,000 to $500,000 or more per month. Using AI in product development can lead to groundbreaking innovations and massive profits. AI can help analyze market trends to identify product opportunities, optimize product designs for performance and cost, and simulate product testing, reducing development time and costs. This approach can work in virtually any industry, from consumer goods to high-tech products. Success story. A team of engineers used AI to develop a new type of energy-efficient home appliance. Their product went viral, and they're now selling over $400,000 worth of units per month, with interest from major retailers for nationwide distribution. Now I know what you're thinking, these numbers sound insane, but here's the thing, AI is not just another tech trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we do business, and early adopters are reaping the rewards. But let me be clear, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about positioning yourself at the forefront of a technological revolution. It's about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging AI to create value at a scale that was previously impossible. The entrepreneurs in these success stories didn't just stumble into their fortunes. They educated themselves, took calculated risks, and persistently refined their approaches. They combined their human creativity and insight with the power of AI to create something truly valuable. So, what's stopping you from being the next AI success story? The tools are out there, the market is hungry, and the profit potential is enormous. Whether you're a tech whiz or a complete beginner, there's an opportunity for you in the world of AI. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. As you venture into the world of AI entrepreneurship, always prioritize ethical practices and consider the broader implications of your work. The most successful AI entrepreneurs aren't just making money, they're positively impacting the world. So are you ready to join the revolution? Subscribe to our channel for more game-changing business ideas. Like this video because it helps us bring you more valuable content. Share with your friends who are ready to earn money. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.